Good day everyone! Welcome to vlog number 3. And dito sa vlog number 3 natin, we're going to do another unboxing of an item that I ordered sa Lazada. So, ang item na ito ay dumating kahapon at ngayon ko lang siya bubuksan kasi late na rin kagabi. So, hindi na rin ako, nag-shoot pa ako ng, ng mga Instagram and TikTok stories, TikTok tutorials, and something like that. Ayun. So, ngayon, pinabukas ko na lang. So, para mas natural yung light. Ayan. Okay, so, today, ayan, we're going to unbox this. Ito yung in-order ko sa Lazada. That this is a VEIKK, I don't know, VEIKK A30 graphic drawing tablet with 8192 level battery free pen, 10 by 6, basta yun. Okay, so we're going to do this. So we're going to do an unboxing, and anong style yung gagamitin ko. We have 3 choices, yung kay Mateo, kay Bitoy, at kay Kong. Ano kaya mas maganda? Joke lang. Dun tayo sa maayos na pag-unbox. So, ayan, I'm going to make also a review and a tutorial on how to use this kasi this is going to be my first time to use a drawing tablet, and actually first time kong nagkaroon ng ganito and to test this. And so don't judge me kung pangit man yung kalabasan ng mga aking illustration or ano. Actually, ang purpose lang naman ito is for me to add equations or scribbles dun sa mga PowerPoint presentation pag nagdi-discuss na ako, and I'm going to really use this for my online classes pag nag-show my when I'm going to show my solution, and I'm going to make a tutorial on that. So kung paano gamitin yung graphing tablet ninyo sa ating pagdi-discuss. Okay, so sana magamit natin. Kung hindi man, pamimigay na lang natin to. Yeah, it will be our first giveaway if hindi ko siya masyadong ma-utilize. Joke lang. Okay, so, and without any further ado, we're going to do the unboxing. Okay, cue the music. So, meron siyang 3 freebie. Meron siya nito. Ayan. Ito yung for phone to connect this tablet, drawing tablet sa phone. Meron siyang pang USB type at meron siyang pang type C. Okay? So, meron din tayong nibs ba yung tawag? Ayan. Meron tayong nibs. Nibs daw yung tawag dyan eh. So, ayan. Wait. Ayan. Nibs. Mga excess. And we have gloves na pang 2 daliri lang. Tingnan natin. VEIKK. Para na akong pwede itong pang cosplay eh. Ganyan ba talaga yan? Okay. Yeah, so kasha siya, fit. Feeling ko this is my size. And for this, okay. Oh. So pagbukas, ito yung kalalabasan niya. So, ito na yung graphic drawing tablet. So, it is lightweight. Sobrang gaan niya. Ayan. So, may nakita na akong unboxing ito. So, may CD siyang ano, pero since wala ng CD, eto. So, ito yung kailangan ko i-download yung drive niya in order for me to use it sa mga ayan, sa computer, sa laptop. So, kailangan ko ding ayan. So, dear customer, thank you so much for your interest and support of VEIKK. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yun. We sincerely appreciate it. Hope that you like our product. Okay. So, thank you, VEIKKs. Okay, so ito yung drawing tablet. Lagay muna natin dyan kasi mamaya pang main event. So, meron tayong pen. Ito yung pen niya. Okay, na may lalagyanan siya. Ito yung ball pen. Ito yung nib. Ito yung sabi nila, ito daw yung pang right click. Ito yung pang right click. Ito daw yung pang erase, pang change to erase. So, ito yung pen natin. So, sobrang gaan niya. Hindi siya katulad nung parang pencil or ball pen na mabigat. Sabi nila, wala daw tong battery. So, yes. So, no need for you to charge it or to have a cord to attach it with your tablet. So, yun. So, meron tayong lalagyanan. So, ito yung cable. Ito yung cable. So, ito yung sinasaksak sa graphing tablet. Ito yung sinasaksak sa computer. So, naka 90-degree angle daw siya. Okay. So, yung I think medyo mahaba din siya. So, yeah. Thank you. So, meron tayong ayan, yung extra nibs. Ayan, nibs. Tama ako, nibs daw. Kasi according to this, it's called nibs and nibs remover. So, ito, pantanggal ng mga nibs na ito. So, pag gusto kong tanggalin yung nib niya, papasok ko lang siya dito and then, flamps. Ayan. Shablimes. So, we have this. And, meron pa tayong mga extra na nibs. I don't know why do we have extra nibs. Pero, madali ba siyang masira? I don't know. This is my first time. So, yeah. So, we have the manual sealed. So, manual. And, lucky for us, it is in Japanese. Joke lang. Meron siyang English version. Kala nyo. So, meron siyang English version. Nababasahin natin ang manual mamaya. Okay, let's proceed to our main event. Ito. So, I think this is a one-time use na lalagyan kasi feeling ko nasisira yung tape. So, okay. Ayan na siya. Tada! Our graphing tablet. So, meron tayong di kita yung tatlong plus symbol, ay apat pala, na plus symbol. Kung ayan, kita naman siya. Tapos ito yung touchscreen daw yan. Itong part na to, touchscreen. Dito tayo magsusulat. Nasaan na yung pen? So, ito siya. This is ito, yung drawing pad natin. Ang daming na kasing box na nakakalat na yung aking kagamitan. So, ayan. So, dito tayo magda-drawing. Dito tayo magsusulat ng equation. Ito, may sinwipe natin pataas, zoom in, zoom out, change brush. Ito, yung left, right. Ayan. Yun yung nakalagay sa manual. Tapos, ito, ayan, we will have a hotkey on this. Parang pag tinype natin or pinrest natin siya, it will be space or either kung anong useful for us. Ayan. Okay, so tadadan. Okay. So, gagawa tayo ng pang So, ayan. So, to conclude, okay, you don't have to buy the things that I'm reviewing Okay? Sa darating na pasukan, hindi nyo kailangan ng maraming gadgets, maraming equipments. If you have the budget, you can buy. Hindi naman kailangan natin na we will buy a lot of things tapos hindi naman natin gagamitin, and we're just going to just show it sa ating mga YouTube channels, ganyan tapos hindi naman natin magagamit, di ba? So yun, yes, so for me, I only buy things that I need, and sana ganun din kayo. Tapos don't think na you don't have this equipment or this gadget, you will not start. Wala pa ako kasing ganito, so hindi mo na ako magsisimula. Wag ganon. Okay? Utilize materials that you have in order for you to deliver your lesson. Hindi importante na meron kayong magagandang equipment. So we need to face, kahit simple lang na record kayo sa camera ninyo habang nagtuturo kayo. That is teaching already. No need for you to have different effects, different pop-ups, and so on and so forth. Hindi nyo kailangan nun. Kasi, again, tayong teacher ang pinakamalaking factor sa pagtuturo sa education ng bata. So, let's focus on that. Now, again, if you're going to buy, okay, be responsible. Look at the review first before buying, and budget nyo muna. Pag-ipunan if you want to buy. Pag hindi naman ganun ka-importante at hindi naman ganun kailangan, then iisang tabi nyo muna. Tapos pag napag-isipan nyo na siya, and yun. Actually, ito sobrang tagal kong pinag-isipan bago ko siya bilhin. Tapos nung bibili na ako, ang ginawa ko is ito. Pinag-isipan ko muna, nanood muna ako ng mga reviews, pinanood ko muna yung mga kung paano siya i-install at paano siya gamitin. Inaral ko muna siya, and I think of ways that I can. Na ako naman, what if I have it already? Where can I use it? So, isip ako ng mga ideas kung saan ko siya gagamitin, kailan ko siya magagamit, and so on. And marami akong naisip na idea, so I bought. That's my vlog number 3. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy my unboxing. I think this is going to be a long video. Hatiin ko yata siya sa 3 parts. I don't know. Tingnan natin. We'll see. Okay, and that's it for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, suggestions, recommendations for my next vlog or videos or video tutorials, leave a comment on our comment section below. Share this video and do not forget to subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can check my channel, Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.